Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be working with the gel bottle and showing you a couple of designs using their polishes and some neon pigments. I'm doing two nails today and I'm starting with 2 coats of my base colour, cured, between each layer. I'm doing one nail in jet black and the other in Petal. Out of the lamp we want to thoroughly cleanse the nail so there's no inhibition layer, and we're then going to come in with Daisy, the gel bottle's pure white polish, and paint our designs. On one nail I'm doing a snakeskin effect and on the other I'm doing a traditional French. For both of these I'm just using a long striping brush. It's my go-to for everything really. This is the first time I've really sat down and played with the gel bottles black and white, and guys, look at the coverage of this white straight over cured black. It's ridiculous. So good for art. So with the designs finished, it's into the lamp for a standard cure. And out of the lamp we get messy and bust out the neon pigments. I'm just using an eyeshadow applicator and applying directly onto that white, and this is why we've cleansed that inhibition layer away previously, because we want that pigment adhering only where we choose for it to. You then want to grab a super soft fluffy brush and gently dust away any excess pigment. To seal that in, we're then coming in with clear BIAB and curing. And finishing off with top coat. The snakeskin I've done in the gel bottles matte, and the French I've done in extreme shine.